How to get unbanned on Grindr. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can get unbanned on Grindr, which is a dating app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Before you try to get unbanned from Grindr, you have to understand why you were banned in the first place. Grindr usually bans someone if they notice some type of suspicious or robot-like behavior from their account. So if you've been conducting suspicious activities such as swiping too much or maybe crossing the limit or anything as such, in that case Grindr could put a limitation to your account. And there are two types of ban. One is a temporary ban, the other is a permanent ban. If it's a temporary ban, it can usually be fixed by changing an IP address, or maybe a couple of seconds later you try to log in, you should be good to go from there onwards. If it's the permanent ban, in that case even Grindr themselves won't be able to help you with it. So fortunately, if you're lucky, there are a couple of things you can try. The first thing, as I said, is try to change your IP address, because they could have banned your IP from accessing the service. To change the IP address, you can simply switch from one Wi-Fi network to another if you have some other Wi-Fi available. If that is not the option for you, you can also just try to turn on mobile data to see if that actually helps you solve your problem. If that doesn't as well, then what you can do is changing an IP address is much more easier if you use a VPN. So if you have any of the VPN application installed like I do over here, you can simply open any VPN app. It doesn't have to be a specific one, and then you can just tap the connect option, connect to a VPN. Next time when you come back to the Grindr app, tap the open button and then you try to log in. You should be good to go from there onwards, and this way you can get unbanned on Grindr. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.